Hi there. In this video we will deal with factoring of x squared plus y squared. That means the adding of two squares. We discussed in previous few videos how to deal with x squared minus y squared or x cubed minus y cubed or x cubed plus y cubed. But we did not deal with this form. How will we deal with it right now? We can express this x squared plus y squared as x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. Oh my God, that means we added something here. When we add something, that means we make a change in the value of the quantity we started with. So is that correct? Yeah, if we add something, we have to subtract it again in order to keep the same value without a change. So this what we added, we have to subtract it again to make sure we did not change the value. So you see, we added 2xy, then we subtracted it again. As still the same two terms here, still the same two terms. Just this adding and subtracting. Why we added this one? Look for this form. When you take x plus y all inside brackets and here is squared and try to expand it, this will be like x plus y times x plus y, right? And when you multiply those together, those two factors, when you multiply them together, you will get x squared, x by x, that's x squared, then x by y, that means xy. After then y times x, that means xy again. Then y times y, that means y squared. And those can be added together, which means you have now x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. That's why then we added 2xy here and subtracted it again. I aimed from that to get a way to express all this in this form. You understand what I mean? So that's why we added 2xy and subtracted it. Okay. Now then we can write those three terms as x plus y all squared. And we keep this out of the brackets. As we wrote x squared plus y squared in this form, then we can deal with this form as difference between two quantities. Here is difference, and here is the first quantity, which is squared, and this is the second quantity. We will consider it also as squared. Squared of what? Squared of square root of 2xy. When you multiply it by itself, you will get 2xy, because the multiplying, it will remove the square root sign, and you will get 2xy, which is here. So we can deal with this as squared, for square roots of 2xy. I can express this here in this form: x plus y squared minus 2xy under the square root sign. Also, I put it up to square. You see? So now we change this form from adding to difference, from adding 2 squared to a difference between 2 squared. Then we apply the rule of factoring for difference between 2 squared. What is that rule? That rule said, when we have x squared minus y squared, we make the factoring for it by writing xx yy minus and plus. That's the rule. So we can apply this rule on this here. Is that right? Yeah, we can do that. Now we'll write it here. We'll write then here, this one can be written like here 2 brackets, and here other 2 brackets. Okay, what will we write inside the brackets? First, this instead of x here and here. So we write x plus y here, x plus y. You see? It's same as we applied the rule which said the x squared will be written as xx. So this squared will be written x plus y, x plus y. And also what's here will be written 2xy under square root 2xy under square root. And the signs negative and positive. That's mean minus and a plus. That's it. And if you want to simplify the answer, this form, you can write it without getting 2 kind of brackets, like just 1 kind of a bracket like this. You can write it like this. x plus y minus 2xy under square root x plus y plus 2xy under square root, and that's it. This method named the factoring by completing the square, and we usually take this way to make the factoring when we have two squares added together and need to make factoring for it. Okay, I will give you more example in the next video. Thank you. Bye now.